Today we're here to talk about the Budapest 2025 Major, more specifically about the sticker capsules as a potential investment. We'll go through the pros and the cons and look at what history can teach us. First, let's look at how major sticker capsules usually work. The Budapest contender capsules, for example, were released at 0.89 cents. Later on, there will most likely be a sale at 0.25. After that, the capsules get removed from the in-game store, and the only way to obtain them is by buying from other players. This has been Valve's standard approach for years. Now let's look at the Austin 2025 Major, the one before Budapest. After being removed, the Austin Contenders capsules reached prices around 0.75 cents, which means at one point they did a 3x return from the sale price. Even if we ignore the all-time high, they still quickly reach a 2x return. But slow down before going all in. It doesn't always work like this. The Paris 2023 Major is the perfect example. There was the usual 0.25 cent sale, but the problem was overinvestment. Once the sale ended, everyone tried to sell their capsules at the same time. And there simply wasn't enough demand. Even 2 years later, those capsules are sitting around 0.12, and at one point they dropped as low as 0.07 on the Steam market. A lot of people lost money on that investment. So the real question is, how do we know if the Budapest Major capsules are a good investment? There are two key factors we're going to look at. First, the sale duration. Austin capsules were on sale for around 40 days, while Paris capsules were on sale for roughly 94 days. A longer sale means higher supply, which puts more pressure on prices later. Second, the sales volume during the sale. This helps us measure the hype and how many people are investing. During the sale, Austin had a daily volume of under 25,000 capsules, while Paris regularly exceeded 50,000 per day, and even reached 100,000 capsules sold on some days. That massive supply is a big reason why Paris performed so poorly. At the time of recording this video, the Budapest capsules haven't gone on sale yet, so it's still too early to say whether they'll be a good or bad investment. We need the data we just talked about to make a proper judgment. Our advice is simple. Wait 1 to 2 weeks after the sale starts. By then, the daily sales volume will clearly show the real hype and the true supply. As for how long the sale will last, it's impossible to predict. In the case of Austin, the capsules were removed without any prior warning. As always, form your own opinion, do your own research, and remember, there is always a risk of losing money. And I'll see you guys on the next video.